Bubble bees. Bubble bees. Daddy, a bubble bee. Bubble bees. Bubble bees. Bubble bees.
It's been approximately 15 weeks since we started Herman the Hive. The last video I made, I added the third super box for honey storage. And then I left the hive and didn't look at it for approximately 3 weeks. When I finally got around to checking the hive again, the third honey super box was mostly full. So I took 2 frames from that box and harvested, and then actually added a 4th box because they were starting to seem almost as if they were getting a little cramped and were producing so quickly. One of the indicators that made me add the 4th box, thinking about them being cramped, was last time I checked the hive, there were multiple queen cups in the hive. Queen cups are the beginnings of what bees use to create a queen cell to make a new queen. There are multiple reasons the bees might create queen cells. Sometimes they just do it for practice. Sometimes they do it because they're looking at potentially swarming because they're cramped. Sometimes they do it because the queen is failing and they need to replace her. So one of my objectives with this hive check was to make sure that I still have a queen, that she's laying eggs, and that they're not preparing to swarm. With the last hive inspection, I removed the queen cups, so I wanted to also make sure that they weren't making new ones in preparation to swarm or anything like that. So during this inspection, I did not actually find the queen, but I did find evidence of the queen. Here you can see eggs in the bottom of the cells. As I went through the hive, there were a fair amount of brood capped in various places. So I'm confident my queen is still there. Also, I did not see more queen cups, so they were probably just practicing, and I'm not too worried about them swarming. So I thought I'd share some interesting bee math. So when you find eggs, it takes 3.5 days for the eggs to hatch into larvae. On day 9, so another 5.5 days, the larvae will be capped over. And then it's day 20, so another 11 days, until the capped cells emerge. The newly emerged workers will work as nurse bees for about 20 days before leaving the hive to become foraging bees.